Most people my age, ngayon pa lang nagpapakasal. Samantalang ako, nakapagpalibing na ng asawa. Ang haba pa ng buhay ko, but I've already lost the one person worth living for.
Ask the cops, call 911, anything, we'll just find her.
Mark, huwag mo naman ako sigawan. Hindi ako nagre-reklamo. Nagtatanong lang. Ano ba talaga ako dito? Yaya ng nanay mo?
The one I've been waiting for. And I love you so. People ask me how I've lived till now.
Sabi niya,
Tell them I don't know.
hindi niya ako iiwan.
Dreams like everyone more than a few in my life. Who knew that this one would come true in my life? I knew the moment when you touched me. You touched me.
Parang gusto ko nang maniwala sa sinabi ni Audrey na pinalitan mo na nga daw ang anak ko. It's so easy for you. Siguro nga dahil 5 buwan lang kayong kasal.
Kung pwede lang sana, I had 5 more days, 5 more years, 5 more lifetimes with him. We may have loved him longer, but that doesn't mean I loved him any less.
And now I know I wanted you in my life all alone.
The story of how the love of 2 men teaches a woman to move on and live again.
Ano hindi ko siya kilala? Anak ko siya. Sa akin siya nang galing. Ako ang nagpalaki sa kanya, kaya bawat hininga tutod na alam kong ibig sabihin.
Anak mo lang siya! Hindi mo siya pag-aari! At hindi lang ikaw may karapatang magmahal sa kanya! Hindi lang sa'yo umiikot ang mundo at hindi titigil to kahit na mawala ka pa!
Whatever happens, this is true.
In My Life, a film by Olivia M. Lamasa. A love story that tells us not to be afraid to fall in love again and again.
People ask me
I love her. I love her more.
how I live till now.
I love him so much.
Tell them
And I Love You So. Directed by Laurenti Joki.